up, man? Yes, sir. So we out here, man. We out here. This one running tonight, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all go goddamn subscribe, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe, man. Yes, sir. What going on? What going on? We about to goddamn get it. Ooh, he done brought the drag radials out for me and shit. That's crazy. What it was 17s? They 17?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, I was looking online today. For them. Shit about to get wicked out here. We should be straight back there though. Hopefully. Hey man.
Oh, so we about to see straight pipe got down toner.
Man, he about to get down.
Oh, you about to give him some gaps off?
Man, look, man, I hope to, but he came out here with the shit on it. He couldn't beat me regular.
He came out here, he ready.
He couldn't beat me regular.
Shoes and sweatpants, he ready.
Oh yeah, he ready to get loose. Damn, that's crazy. Let me go get some footage of some other car, man. The other folks who ain't gonna run it tonight. The slowest cat in Jacksonville right here. Hey, Keith. The slowest cat in Jacksonville right here. The slowest cat. What's up, fool? You good? Oh, they hard. The forge is hard. I see what he said. Yeah, and then he came home and got gapped. It's all good. He done lied to them folks all over their YouTube. Done lied to them folks.
He finna get smoked though.
Who? You think I'm gonna lose?
Oh, when I put them parts in my car, yes, he gonna lose. Easily.
Yeah, okay. We got the blue wide body. That motherfucker hard.
You better come with that shit.
Hey, I'm trying to.
I'm backing you up right now.
I'm trying to.
You in trouble? I'm backing you up right now.
I might be in trouble.
Shit, you know
Okay. Hey, I need you to back me up. Hey, he say no, he say yeah. We finna get it. We finna see what's going on. We finna see what's going on. Man. We finna see what's going on.
It's crazy. I'm the original guy out there. I don't know that.
Damn, fool, your shit hard right here. Lamar, this might be the hardest part of your little charger right here. That might be the hardest part. Hey, that might be the hardest part of that shit. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that hood hard. I ain't no hater, man. Hey.
You go for the A.
Y'all folks go follow him, man, on Instagram, man.
Go represent for the A.
Yeah, we here, but you got me with it. You don't think I'm gonna win.
Oh, no, I got you with it.
Okay then, 100.
Yeah, we gonna see.
100. We about to see.
You finna race, bro? Don't do that, bro.
Man, you finna race who? Oh, you ain't gonna race? Why not?
He racing Casper.
No, girl, the damn picture.
You ain't gonna race nobody? Come on, man. Oh shit, he calling somebody out. Yes, sir.
Teddy said, who wants to smoke?
What's up? Meet me at the line, cuz. Polo.
Ooh.
Now that'd be a good. Come on, Ted. What's up?
Polo ain't racing nobody. Polo's scared.
I ain't scared of none of y'all niggas.
Okay, so what's up? You getting it?
No, what's the name talking about? He want to race me.
You getting it or what?
What up? What's up?
Cause you're up.
See this shit, huh? Gap with an audience. Straight gap with an audience. This is the man of the hour right here. You know
what I'm saying?
Don't
We
shout
about
it
to
out,
see.
big dog. Don't shout it out.
You know what I'm saying? Big Slime X Pack 392. Come on. Hit that subscribe, you know what I mean?
Subscribe.
Yeah, I mean, fuck you.
Gap sauce.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Hey, so for the camera, what you got done to your thing?
Man, a lot of nothing, but a lot of some. I ain't got shit going on. Cactus mids, fully straight pipe.
Still running
What?
Pro Flex
Diablo
Commander?
tune? No 85 no more.
So it is Diablo tune?
Yeah,
Like
Diablo
custom
tune.
tune or can tune?
Nah, just can tune. Just can tune.
Okay.
I get a custom tune soon, but I ain't got no shit done yet.
Yeah.
So we'll see, man.
Okay.
I got a drop in cold air intake. Cold air filter. So it ain't much. I know you got the gears and shit. You going up, but we're gonna see. Get out that line. Get out that line. Tell them get out that line, man.
What you think?
I'm telling you right now. I think that's gonna get off the line way better than your shit. Cause
That's fine. That's fine,
Then
bro.
you gotta play catch up.
Play catch up.
I'm trying to play catch up.
Play catch up with who? Play catch up with who?
I'm telling you.
Hey,
you gonna learn today.
Hey, but
You
he
gonna learn
said
today.
he wants you to
Tell him
get
he gonna
me
put gas
because
sauce
he
on his
can't get
chicken.
me. He wants you to get me because you can't get me, and you know it. Ain't don't even worry about it. I've been calling him out.
I'm on B6 all day.
Yes, sir.
On B6 all day, baby.
Big V6.
You know how to show me.
Yes, sir.
You know how to show me. I'm
Yes,
on
sir.
B6
Big
all day,
V6.
Yo,
Big V6.
they gonna learn
Yes,
today.
sir.
You know how to show me.
Hey, you know how to show me. You know what's up.
You gonna rinse my lead now.
Hey, all right, back before you leave, I got
I
you.
do this shit.
This shit for look. This shit for look.
Yeah. Look, man, hey, man. The man had to put the drags on. He had to put the drags on for you, boy. But it's good. It's good. He put the drags on for me. But we about to see what's going on. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta show you how the other I gotta show y'all the other blue scat, man. That shit hard. I like the B on the side. That's top shit.
I can't tell what the fuck.
It's a B. It's a scat pack B.
Yeah,
that shit hard.
That's why everybody got blue.
That shit hard.
I like her blue.
Yeah, that shit hard. That shit super hard. Yes, sir. That shit super hard.
That's not.
Yes, sir. But I'm gonna be back. Yeah. Hey, but yeah, I'm gonna be back with y'all folk, man. Make sure if this y'all first time on my page, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. For real, 100. Who?
I did.
Oh,
Spun like crazy, but you got it.
we running back?
Yeah.
All right.
Doing it right here.
Yeah. Hey man, so y'all see what's going on. Your boy just took a big dub, man. Big dub. I know I'm black, y'all can see me, but yeah. Big dub shit, you know what I mean?
I noticed.
Ah, now he gonna show him. Hey, if y'all follow my YouTube, y'all see what's going on. And right now we don't have a true subscriber who look at my shit. Hey, we dropped weight. We dropped weight, baby. Hey.
I made sure that he came prepared. I respect. I will say this. I will respect the hell out of that because you came ready, just like I came ready.
Exactly, so I'm saying. He put the drags on, shit. I knew I had a disadvantage. I was like, shit. Because if he hooked, I at least need to be a little lighter than him, so. Shit, man.
Yeah,
It is what it
you know what
is.
I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But it is what it is, man. Make sure y'all folk like, comment, and subscribe,
Yeah,
man.
y'all already know what it is.
Make sure
Look,
y'all
man,
do that shit.
It's your boy certified_392. Like I tell everybody on their channel, it don't cost me nothing. Don't cost you nothing to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Just click that red button after y'all watch this video. Come over to my channel, check me out. I got some dope footage. I got a bag charger. That's all I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Come check me out on my channel. I got dope footage. I appreciate y'all if y'all already coming over there. You know what I'm saying? My boy over here. He got me today. He got me today. You know what I'm saying? 2 races, spinning ain't winning. I'm not making no excuses. He got me today.